What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, apologize for the wind. Super windy like always. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Do me a solid, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. We are here at a state park, about to go hunt and finally call it the end of a hunting season. As you guys seen, haven't been successful, seen plenty of deer. Was super selective at the beginning. I shouldn't have, but you know, that's hunting. Anyways, I brought reinforcements. I got two buddies that are gonna be hunting with me, some first timers, and hopefully they get it done. If they get it done, I'll be super happy for them, and you know, I'll just call it the season and get ready for turkey season. But anyways, as you guys know, always running behind. We gotta set up camp. This is how camp kind of looks like. Check out my boys' tent. Check this bad boy. Sheesh. He's gonna be doing yoga, Pilates. What else is think he's gonna be doing? We know what he's gonna be doing. But yeah, my guy's been working on that like 20 minutes. You guys see my tent? 60 seconds. Kind of like me. What? Anyways, let's get after it. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my side of the house and go out there because we're pulling all the stops. We're gonna be baiting, we're gonna be calling, and guess what? I brought a shotgun. First time shotgun hunting is going down. I put in the work, zeroed it, I feel confident. If I see a deer 60, 70, 50, even 30, I'm clapping it with that shotgun. But anyways, let's set up camp and let's haul ass to the hunting area. All right, guys, so pretty much at least the tent is up. Sorry, trying to hurry up. The tent is up. Opening everything up. And mattress is done. You know, still gotta find a way to live somewhat comfy. Trying to open up some window, get some air in here, air it out. Anyways, just trying to get it done. Let's see how Con is doing. His massive ass tent. Let's go check it out. Ding dong!
Come on in, I'm actually done.
Damn, so much room for activities. You got a fan up here.
Yeah, what's that? Oh.
You got a remote?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this man got a remote. This man got a remote. Get the fuck. Hell yeah. Check it out. 8-person tent right here. Look at this. Look at this fan. Pretty clean. You and good old Nicholas gonna have a good ass time in here.
Straight.
When I hear all that R&B music going, that's how I know. Anyways, we gotta get the corn ready. Alright, this is the formula we're gonna be using. Some expensive ass corn from Academy. I remember when this bag was $4.99. Now it's $9.99. It's ridiculous. And we're gonna go with some legit. We're gonna pour some corn inside some Ziploc bags, and we're gonna pour some legit in there. Our intent is to go out there, scout the areas that we're gonna be hunting. We kind of know where we're gonna go. We've seen tracks there before, pretty good tracks, good signs. But anyways, and bait. We really don't have a whole lot of time to go out there and hunt, but that's the game plan. You guys let me know you think this setup work. Alright, so that is it. We got what, 2, 4, 6 bags. That's all we need. We're gonna set up 3 different spots. We're gonna go hunt individual. We got some seedling corn. Hopefully this setup helps us out. Anyways, we gotta get going, to be honest with you. Oh, let me show you guys what I'm taking. Hold on. Alright, so check this out. This is the shotgun I'm going to be using. It's not mine. It doesn't belong to me. I don't have this kind of setup. But I want to shout out my boy Wilbur. Always coming in clutch. Always lets me shoot his property. And I appreciate that because I just don't have that kind of land to go be able to shoot and try different things out. But he let me borrow his shotgun with 0, like I said. And this is that little bad boy. This is a, what is it? MKA 1919. Pretty sweet. Mama even got that breacher. We're trying to breach it in guts of them deer. Anyways, we're trying to get it done. But that's that little bad boy. We got some glass. It's actually a 300 blackout scope. Works out. It worked out. I don't know. I don't know anything about, shotgun, for deer. But anyways, we're gonna get this done. All right, here we go. Gonna try rushing. We don't have a whole lot of daylight to go bait, set up the spots that we want to hunt, and hopefully if we see something, we'll send an arrow or a slug. Anyways, check out homie setup. Look at that backpack. Ooh, I like that backpack. Magellan once in a while comes through. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up and let's get into this railroad to play catch up. Take a trail down the railroad. Alright guys, so what I might do, and I don't know how I feel about it yet completely, but what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go bait the creek down here. There's a lot of tracks, and then actually set up here about the railroad tracks and actually hunt out of it. We'll see if it pays off, but anyways, let me get down there. Alright, so this is how it kind of looks. Looks like they're traveling through all this. So I'm gonna go ahead and set some bait right here and hopefully it pans out. But you see how they're traveling across. Khan and the other guys will be hunting on that side. We actually seen deer over there, and there's a lot of good signs. But this looks too promising to not give it a shot. So let's go. I think I'm gonna come up behind that piece on the railroad right here. There we go. I'm gonna shoot it. Come set up right there in the morning, and hopefully be able to get a shot off here. We'll see. Let me pour another bag. All right, looks like from right there into the spot that I showed you guys, it looks like a 22-yard shot. So as I got closer, you guys saw a lot of raccoons, hogs. There's supposed to be javelinas here too, so that'd be super cool. Anyways, let me climb back up there and catch up with Khan, because I have another bag of corn for him, so let's get after it. Oh yeah. Creep out the corner. Yep. I like this spot. I don't like it so much for the evening. The sun is literally right there, hitting me right in the face, so I don't know. But hopefully it pans out in the morning. But let's see how I'm gonna set it up. practicing his field craft. Look at it. Satisfied?
Mm-hmm. Say when.
Yeah, when. Woo, guys, all right. You guys saw first action. That doe was like 245 yards. I thought he was gonna come into the baiting area, but it didn't. Ended up seeing that little raccoon that came in. Little Ricky wanted to get blasted in the face, but you know, I'm not here for that. Anyways, we were back at camp. Kong and I. He brought some steaks, and we're doing some potatoes and some steaks, and enjoy some beverage. Ooh, look at that. Boom, boom. Make sure you guys follow. Anyways, and enjoy some cigars. Our other counterpart will be here tomorrow. Nick, we'll get it done. Shit, I don't think he even gonna be able to hunt Friday.
No.
Tomorrow. Whack.
He might get here at the end of the day.
Comment below, tell him whack. But anyways, but yeah, we'll see you in the morning. All right, guys, let's go. It's that time. It's pretty freaking cold, I'm not gonna lie. It's like sitting at 30 inside that tent. Was nice and cozy. I had that heater going. Whew. Slept like a baby. To be honest with you, I didn't want to get up. But anyways, I'm gonna wait for Con to come back. You know, he's doing his thing, and get out there, and hopefully we'll get it done this morning. Well, it's, let me see. It's 8:30. Got here a little late. Sun was up, you know, but all the corn was gone. It looks like raccoons, maybe hogs, but there was something definitely going after it. I heard a loud boom maybe like 30 minutes ago from that away, so sounds like someone got lucky, but it's freaking cold. I don't know if I should stay here, hunt, give this place another shot later on for the evening, or I should just go find a different spot, to be honest with you. All right, I'm calling it here. It's already like 9:30. I'm actually gonna go scout a different spot for tonight. I don't know about this spot. There's a lot of tracks, but I'm more likely to just moving here through the night. And that one though that I saw yesterday, it was way out there. I don't know. I just don't have the time, or to be honest with you, the patience just to sit here. when I could be in a different spot, getting another opportunity. But I'm gonna go ahead and move out of here. All right, we're back. Evening hunt. Now we got Nick, the beast, right here. D-Rocco. Told you we were making reinforcement. Someone has to get it done. Someone, one of us. Anyways, let's get to our spots and hope for the best. Strategy. Don't know where we're gonna hunt. Like that area, or we're gonna go back to the same spots we were this morning. We've been pretty committed to the same spots, and we're gonna just give it one more go around. Probably this evening and rattle call, and hopefully something comes in. If not, we'll go hunt somewhere else, a different spot. But they like that area here. Right here, I don't know if you see it. There's some water there. I like that open area. Kind of like I mentioned before. What the fuck? Check this out. The spot that I was telling you guys. Crossing the railroad. Three big old does going to the area where I saw that doe yesterday. So hopefully I get there. I don't know. I don't know if they completely spooked or like we just jumped them to get them moving. They went that way, towards that corner. So yesterday I was hunting in the other side of that brush, under the railroad track. So the game plan is still in place. Let's get after it. I just saw a doe cross way out there again. But I'm also hearing a lot of stuff to my right on the other side of this rocket area. So I don't know. I think if nothing happens tonight, what I might do is tomorrow, I might just set up like right there. I'll set up there in the afternoon because that's twice that I see them cross through there in the evening. So if nothing pans out today, that's the game plan for tomorrow. There you go. she smells me. Come on, come on. Come on. That's like a 70, 80-yard shot. It's going up the hill. It went up. It went up right there. I gotta find a way to get closer down there tomorrow. Oh, there's another one. Mer. Yep. Missed that. Definitely went under it. Oh man. I'll definitely walk up there to see by any chance there's blood or anything, but man. Anyways, we'll get up there, grab my stuff, and hike down there. Hey, what's up? Tell the people what's up.
What's up?
What's up? How do you think everything's going?
I'm still optimistic.
Last day we got to hunt. We're gonna do the evening hunt. We didn't come out this morning. We've never seen anything in the morning, so we decided to come out in the afternoon. The wind is pretty crazy right now. It's a south wind, so we're gonna go to a spot where we think is gonna be good to avoid them picking us up. So that's the game plan. Let's see what Khan's doing. What you doing? Wearing lipstick or what?
Chapstick, you know.
Ah.
Gotta be a different way though than how you like to try to put it on.
Yeah. So what's up? What do you think is gonna happen? We're gonna get it done today?
We're definitely getting it done today.
Someone has to. Someone has to, but anyways, we just finished eating. We're gonna get in here super early, just trying to walk in as quiet as possible and just get it done. So I'm pretty much settled in. I ended up coming pretty close to the other guys gonna be hunting at. It's just the wind wouldn't work out where I was originally planning to, like I said. But anyways, I'm behind some mesquite, little cover. Once that time starts to sorry for the wind, just super windy. Once that time comes in, I'm gonna go ahead and just start scanning and see if I can even see something from a distance. usually we'll be getting here around this time, so I'm hoping that, to start moving. I got a pretty good field view of their approach. So if I can't take a shot or anything like that, at least I will be able to tell the other guys that they have deer coming their way. So they were just texting me that there was a guy walking his dog down the creek. So, that's public land for you. Oh shit. Alright, that's the wrap for the season. Ended up skunking. Happens. It was about to happen anyways. We give it all. We didn't see nothing at all. Actually, he saw some rat and that random guy that just came in with his dog. But besides that, Nick, what you got to say?
Nothing, but I'll be back next year.
Nice. You?
Got nothing. Wish I would be back next year.
You still can. You're more than welcome. He's going somewhere else. He's going to space with Elon, something like that. Hey, I'm going to put Nick's OnlyFans on the description below. So make sure you subscribe to his... I'm joking. I'm trying to get him to do some fit pick stuff. But anyways, trying to make money. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't seen the other episodes, go check them out. Also, subscribe to the channel. Hit a like. Give me a comment. Hey, give a shout out to these guys in the comments. They put in work, man. They're hooked. They will be back. We'll continue doing this. And like always, share with the homies. Peace.